Good evening again. Hope everyone had a profitable last week. So as I was sharing in the previous week, you can clearly see it has made a breakout. I told not to enter in any buy setup because there is no momentum up. That's the reason I told. And this is the support level which it has broken, and the resistance zone, everything it has broken. Now it's taken support here, and I am currently seeing a 4 hour head and shoulder pattern. If you go into 1 hour, you can clearly see the head and shoulder pattern. I am expecting it will form some kind of pattern here and it will fall. That is my expectancy for right now. So the better entry point for DXY is around 108 or 107.5 to 108.5, and the target is around 107.15, 107.5. So next, go to the next chart. In this 4 hours, I am looking at a reversal setup, as I've been waiting very patiently for almost 2 weeks. Sorry. So this is the setup, and I'm seeing some kind of support area here, resistance zone here, and the support area here. So I'm expecting this will fall again because in the lower time frame, we go to 30 minutes. This one doesn't have that much of a strength. We see the candles, it looks like it will fall again. So I'm expecting either it will touch here and it will fall, or it will fall directly. Then we can expect some big moves from this to the target of 1. That's one level. And this is where you are USD. So please look for only buy setup. Don't go for short and don't risk it. Always keep your stop loss below your target level. Next, go to GBPUSD. In GBPUSD, it has to move up, but there are some political pressure is going on, and this pattern is very clear. It is forming a wedge pattern, and if you see clearly, it is almost rejected in the trend level, in the trend pattern. So I'm expecting some support in this area before making a break. Either it will fall here or it will go to this 1.19 area, then it will fall. Then I'm expecting first move to be here, to be open. Yep, this is the direct first move I'm expecting. Then it will form some kind of pattern, and this is my target 1.23. So this I'm expecting will happen as soon as it will drop. It can drop below because of the political pressure. So please be aware of this and trade accordingly. Let's go to AUDUSD, and this is the resistance zone and this is the support zone. It can possibly give a down move, or it can break this above, and it can make some pattern. It will break above and it will go. This also can happen. It can simply break above, take a support test, and it can go. Anything can happen, and the target is 0.70. It's a good risk reward if you are entering from the bottom. Let's say wait for some confirmation and you can enter, and it's a very good risk reward. So please enter accordingly. And the next one, NZDUSD, same. I am seeing a wedge pattern, expecting a reversal after. If you see clearly, the setup is here. This is the support area and resistance area. So right now it has taken support in the low 0.60, expecting it is almost in the top. It will make some small push up 0.61 and it will fall back, or it will break this, and this is the target 0.6399. and 0.64. So please trade accordingly. If you go in 30 minutes, you can clearly see this is forming another wedge pattern. So that's what I'm giving you a downside. So don't be in a hurry, be always have the patience for this. And as per this candle, this should not go up, it should break this trend line and it will make some correction and this will fall. Either it can touch this low or it can go beyond this low as well. So it depends on USD. So the next one, GBPJPY. GBP is very simple and very clear. The pattern is very clear. As I have made a video on Wednesday for sniper entries. If whoever got this, like, this is a very good area. This I have already entered around this area, and this is my stop loss, and this is my target. Almost 1:2, more than 1:2. So I'm waiting patiently. Like, I just closed yesterday. Still, I'm expecting big moves from this. So I'm in the trade of this GBPJPY. If you look even more closely, you can see some patterns here, which type pattern, and this is a bearish impulse and correction pattern. Let me draw it. It's a bearish impulse and correction, and like that I'm expecting. USOIL. USOIL. I didn't took this trade, but I was watching this very interesting and very good move, very great move. Many people has taken this trade, but I don't know. I didn't took this. I didn't get the entry point, so I couldn't enter it. Actually, that's the thing. I've seen it somewhere here. Then I thought, "No, it's too late. Just leave it." And if you see clearly, it has taken the support, and the resistance is here. So again, it has made a head and shoulder pattern. If you can see clearly, it's a head to shoulders, and it has fallen back. Here also it is making another head and shoulder. One, this a shoulder, this a shoulder, and this is another corrective pattern. So that's what I'm looking right now. I'm expecting it will again touch the trend line. I'm expecting it will again touch the trend line. Go like this, make some corrections, then it will push above, then it will further fall. Then you can expect a big move upside. Yes, right now it has the potential to move up or beyond this, but since there are some political pressures in Europe and the war is, they are not coming to any agreement, we can expect some bigger moves in US oil. So that's it, guys. Have a profitable week ahead. Thank you. Thanks for watching.